is the main square here. We got church up there. I hear music somewhere. I don't know if it's a loudspeaker or what the story is, but we're going to walk down here on the main drag. So I'm walking down this street today and just to see what I can see. And it's pretty busy here. It's late in the afternoon. We had a shower. So yeah, just to see what we can see here. I don't know. Just keep going on here. Okay.
Lleva una pena muy honda y por ella estoy bebiendo. Estoy cantando mi nada y a nadie le estoy pidiendo.
And we got a sign up here, a guy selling umbrellas because it's starting to rain, but they're still doing the big sign up here. Feliz Navidad desde Salento. Salento is the town that we're in. I'm not going to walk any further because it's uphill, but that's what the sign says up there. Right there. It's looking up. We come back. And we're looking down here then. Okay. Oh, just coming out of the church here. Here's another look inside. Oh, you can see a little bit in here of the inside of the church. And we're going to come outside. And right here is the town square. And this is the town square. We had a little rain shower here. So this is the big square here, and yeah, we have to walk down to that area over there where the bus is going to pick us up. So this is it here. I think this is the town of Salento. So the square was pretty full till the rain started and it kind of thinned out. That's the town church here. Still a few drops of rain coming down here, so there's the church we were just in, and this is the rest of the town square. Pretty much fixed up for Christmas time here. At nighttime there'll be lots of lights, not so much during the daylight hours. And we got some figurines here. We got a, looks like Father Christmas, looks like a camel, and maybe these are the three wise men. That's what they are, the three wise men with the camels bringing the stuff to the church here. And the baby Jesus is over here in the manger. And there's the baby there. We got the little mules or what on either side there. And yeah, so that's the nativity scene that they have here. And they've got lights all over it. So at nighttime, this must look pretty good. But that's what it is. This is the three wise men here. Yeah, for Christmas.